In this video, I'll show you how to create social media content for an e-commerce brand in under 2 minutes for under $2 per post. Posting on social media is time consuming, especially when managing an e-commerce brand. But if we don't post consistently, people don't build trust in our brand. Before people buy, they often search for your brand name. They want to see if the brand is real, active, and trustworthy. Also, Amazon PPC is hard to run profitably nowadays. Google and Meta ads require a lot of optimization to run profitably. I predict over the next 5 years, organic traffic will have one of the biggest impacts for profitable e-commerce brands. On Amazon, click-through rate and conversion rate are the major organic ranking factors. Also, having brand awareness improves both of them because warm audiences click and convert better than the cold traffic. For example, if John has seen your brand before in social media, it's more likely he will click on your listing and purchases afterwards on Amazon. So here is exactly what we'll do. I will show you how to create 10 social media posts which will direct people organically to your website or even your Amazon product page. First, we need to choose the platforms we want to operate. Considering we are trying to automate the process as much as possible, I recommend starting with Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and expanding to other platforms once we have a good system running. I'll show you how to create 10 product in use type of images, which are great for credibility. Now we jump into Seluna AI, where if you're signing up for the first time, you need to set up your brand, and it takes about 2 minutes. All you have to do is either add your website link or add your brand name, logo, and also to set up your brand colors, which is very important in all the generations that we're gonna do. After that, we need to add the link for our product and to let Seluna generate the information for us. Once the product is added, we go to the social media section and we choose UGC style images, where we click generate with hyper. This will take about 2 minutes and we have 5 images generated. We can see all the generated images are with different people using the product. There are also different environments for specific use cases. I think the images look very real and they are ready to use on social media. However, if we want to make some adjustments to remove or add some text or to change the human model, we can use the edit button. For example, let's change the person in this photo by clicking the edit image and selecting what I want to edit. In this example, I will edit only this image. Then I will add my change requirements, remove the text, change the human with a male in their 40s, using the product, ensure the images look very real. You can also add an image reference. For example, if the packaging is not correct, you can add your own packaging, or if you want a specific human to be in the image. For example, I can add myself to be the person in the image. That would be quite fun. Then I click to regenerate. It will take between 1 and 2 minutes to regenerate the image. We can see the new image followed our instructions and it doesn't have the text and is a male instead of a female. Then I click to generate 5 more and we wait another 2 minutes. Now we have 10 ready to use assets. From here, we can publish them as 10 separate posts, or we can combine them into carousels. The carousels are performing very well on Instagram and TikTok nowadays, so I encourage you to give them a shot. Next, we'll create the post descriptions for each post. I created a prompt which will analyze the image and will generate 3 post descriptions for each image. You can get the prompt for free and all the other resources in the Skool community as always. For this part, I personally use Claude Opus 4.6. For content quality, it gives me the best output consistently. I download the image I want to use and also I'm copying the prompt and I paste them all together into Claude. We can see it is asking for specific information, such as our website or discount codes, so it will get organic traffic to our platforms. You can add here your Amazon product link or a website link, and yes, you'll be able to download the prompt from my Skool community. We can see it generated 3 posts versions, which seem to be very good. If we want to make adjustments, we can simply ask Claude to implement them, and we can repeat this process for all the other posts. I recommend posting at least 3 times per week, as a minimum for social media. Now, all we have to do is adding the posts and scheduling them on all the social media platforms. In the future, I will show you how to automate the scheduling and also the content creation and how to improve the output every time. So if you want to be notified when I post the video, subscribe and click the bell button. If you want the exact prompt I mentioned, Join my free school community where you can access all my free resources together with the Rank Boost Pro system for your Amazon store. I'll drop it in there so you can start your own social media posts. Also, if you like to work with my agency and implement all these systems into your brand, click the link in the description to book a call with us.